Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all for stopping by today. Today we're going to do episode 21 of the Booze News, the news that you can use. Today we're doing a very nice, refreshing drink called Amarillo Haze. Hope you enjoy the drink. Please remember to always drink responsibly. If you can't drink responsibly, please drink with responsible people. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our ingredients set up, ready to go here. We're going to go step by step. First of all, we're going to salt the rim of our glass. We're going to start off by rubbing a lemon on the outside of it to get some moisture on it so that the salt will stick to the rim of the glass. Bear with me here. I am not a professional bartender, and this is my first attempt at trying to do this. So after we rub it with the lemon, we will then roll it in the salt, and as you can see, this is not an exact science, at least not when I do it. And next up, we're going to add some ice to our glass. I was pretty sure that I needed to wait till after I salted the rim to add the ice to it. All right, now it's time to make our drink. We're going to start off with our vodka, going 1.5 ounces. We're using Smirnoff vodka. And next up, we're going to squeeze the juice from 2 lemons into our drink. And last but not least, we're going to top it off with our club soda. We're going to give it a good stir. And then it's time for that all-important taste test. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this drink is definitely a winner. I give it at least an 8 out of 10. Very simple to make, other than, cutting up the lemons. Of course, I guess salting the rim of the glass and all that will get easier the more I practice it. I left off the lemon garnish on the side. That was supposed to be on the side of the glass. I'd definitely try this one if I was you. Probably make it in a bigger glass, though. Might could have used just a little bit more club soda, but I would definitely recommend this one. But don't take my word for it. Here is this episode's celebrity judge to tell you what they think about it.
And now, for the best part, is drinking the Chilton. Yum. Very lemony. It's a very light and refreshing drink.